In this video, I made this massive tree with mostly toilet paper rolls, along with a few other materials. Okay guys, you probably remember this other tree that I had built, but I wasn't very satisfied with it, and I wanted to make a way more detailed tree. So I started by getting my glue gun and glue ready, along with the toilet paper rolls, and then started making the general base of the tree that you see right here. Okay, to do this, at first I would glue rolls together, then I would cut triangle-like pieces from the toilet paper rolls to start on the base. After that, I started to shape the rolls to make the bigger branches. Okay you guys, this was one of the many parts of the build that took a really long time to do. I had to precisely cut the pieces, then glue them to shape, and finally add them to the tree. After finally finishing that part of the tree, I then referred to this picture to make the roots of the tree. And I did it by cutting out these rectangular pieces from the toilet paper rolls, shaped them into little tubes, and applied them to the tree. This part also took a while to do, so I'll skip ahead. Okay, so it turned out that I actually wasn't done with the branches, so I decided to make a few more and added them on. After finishing that part with toilet paper rolls, I then got some white packing paper and wood glue and then started covering the whole thing with it. Hey guys, please make sure to like, comment, and do me a favor by watching the whole video, because apparently YouTube likes that and it helps my video get more discoverability and my channel as well. Thank you guys, and let's get back to the build. So this part with the packing paper and glue took a while to do, but I ended up finishing it. And after that, I got these egg cartons, broke them into flat pieces, and cut them to the designs I wanted on the tree. I mostly cut little strips that I use for the leaves, and the bigger, thicker pieces that you see here were mainly used for the design on the tree base. This part especially of adding the leaves onto the tree took forever. So after finishing that part of the tree, I then got a pencil and started making designs. After cleaning up for a little bit, I applied a layer of a glossy varnish. Please tell me in the comments if you like this build. If you want to see the original tree that I made, make sure to click right here. And if you want to see this dragon that I made, click right here.